welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Queen Virgin Remy. This is my first time working with them and they actually did not disappoint me. I just wish I had a little bit of mousse so I could tame hair a little bit better. I just put some water in the hair and this is how it looks. If you define the curls and actually add some product in it, it will look really cute and hold these curls, but this wig has no product in it. So before we get started, I want to show you guys what came in the packaging. So let's get right into this video so then you'll see that and then see how I installed this wig. This is a closure, by the way, so they really blew me away with this one. Especially like, look how the side just looks so natural and it's closure. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, let's get right into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is from Queen Virgin Remy. I have not tried their wig before, so before I start I just want to show you guys what came in their packaging. They didn't really have much in the packaging, but this is the box that the wig came in. Regular standard bag. This was like wrapped around the box, but I ended up taking it out because I washed the wigs before I put it on my head. And today's video is obviously gonna be how to install your wig in the healthy way. So it's just like the regular install, but it's just healthier products. I'll have all the products that I use down below if you guys are interested in getting any of it. It comes with this pamphlet, this little bag. You could put like your comb and your edge brush and stuff in. And then it comes with the satin, this is a mesh bag, a head wrap, headband, and a edge brush. That's all the stuff that came in their packaging. I will have the links down below if you guys are interested. This is their closure wig. It looks like this. I did not bleach this wig. I just washed it. And it has a band sewn inside. So this band is actually not removable. It's sewn inside, but it is adjustable like a bra strap. And this is how the inside looks. I will have all the details to this wig linked down below, the exact link. Okay guys, this is how the hair turned out. It's not even like dried up here yet, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys just a different style because I'm always wearing middle parts with this color. So I wanted to just flip my closure to the side to show you could actually do a side part. And if you want it to be tamed, you could put product in it. This hair has no product in it. I just sprayed some water at the top just to kind of tame it just a little bit. This is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to check out Queen Virgin Remy. I will have the links down below for this wig. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This wig is a giveaway wig, so if you're interested in winning this wig, all you have to do is leave a comment. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.